Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to register the gift card shop account. So if you also want to register the gift card shop account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in the gift card shop.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of the gift card shop. You'll be able to buy the gift cards from here. You'll also be able to buy e-gift cards. You'll be able to find several options over here. So if you want to register for your account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of the gift card shop. From here you'll be able to sign into your account. But if you want to register for your account, what you have to do is click on the option create an account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is enter personal information and sign in information over here. First of all, simply enter the personal information. Simply enter your first name and last name over here. First of all, enter your first name. Now after that, enter your last name. If you want to sign up for newsletter, check on this box sign up for newsletter. Now what you have to do is enter your sign in information over here. First of all, enter your email. Make sure to enter the valid email address over here. Now after that, what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Simply create a very strong password for yourself. You'll also be able to see the password strength over here. Your password must contain at least 8 characters and must contain one letter and one number. So simply create a very strong password for yourself. Now simply confirm your password, re-enter the password. Now after that, check on this box I am human. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option create an account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here your account will easily be created. So that is how you create the gift card shop account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.